Hey guys, Simboy52 here. Quickly doing a tutorial on how to make custom noises for your launcher or any other thing. It's basically the same process. Just gotta know what files you're replacing. Um, the song that I'm doing is because it's basically the intro song to the launcher, but revamped in an electro remix from Vampy or DJ Vampy. I saw a comment saying this should definitely be a launcher theme, so I remembered that I was able to do that. Other people might know how already. Okay, let's go on with it. You just gotta download the MP3 file. I already have it, so I'm not gonna download it. Then you want to go find your Riot Games folder, League of Legends. You want to go to RADS. Then you want to go to Projects, Air Client, Releases. 116 are the newest. Deploy, Assets, Sounds, Ambient, and then right here. As you can see, I already have it switched out, so I'm going to quickly switch it out again so you know it's the right one. I will put the path in description and other links. Well, the original, I don't know if you can hear it or not. I've been having a recording trouble with actual sound. Now basically all you do is you switch it out. You take the actual file, which is this right here, and then you rename it. You rename it as what the file you're switching. Now always back up the files you switch. You never know when something might get screwy. Then you just close it out, close this out, launch it up, and let's see what we have. There we go, and now you have a new musicking theme. And you can do this with like champion select, invites, chat invites, whatever you want. Well, Simboy52 logging out.